Hi guys, Andy,
Max.
Leftover Currency. You're watching another episode of 1 Minute Money.
Summer's just around the corner, so you've probably been doing a bit of spring cleaning.
You've rooted out a jar of old leftover holiday money. You're running a few Google searches to see if any of those leftover banknotes are worth anything, and you stumble across one of these.
Google will tell you that the currency of Oman is Rial. This is true. Google will also tell you that 100 Omani Rial is worth £188.
Nice. Now you're probably kicking yourself wondering, why didn't I cash in on this tiny piece of paper any sooner?
Only you've missed that one very important detail. This banknote before you is not 100 Omani Rial, it's actually 100 Omani Baisa.
Just as there are 100 pennies to the pound, or 100 cents to the US dollar or euro, there are 1,000 Baisa to the Omani Rial.
Of course, a banknote worth £188 is entirely possible, with banknotes like 1,000 Swiss francs.
Or the most valuable banknotes in the world, the 10,000 Singapore and 10,000 Brunei dollar banknotes.
But 100 Omani Baisa is actually a banknote worth 0.1 Omani Rial.
Visit our website, leftovercurrency.com, and you'll find detailed information and images of all of the Omani Rial banknotes, from the 50 Rial note down to the 100 Baisa note.
We really hope this has cleared things up for you guys. Please leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. Please also subscribe to our channel and check back for any more videos coming soon.
If you like this video, make sure you click the thumbs up button below, and you can check out our other videos over there.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.